The "your information is not available at this time" error is one of the most frustrating issues taxpayers encounter when trying to access IRS online services. This error commonly appears when using popular IRS tools like Where's My Refund and Get My Payment portals, even after the system upgrades implemented in 2024 and 2025. These are the two main IRS portals where taxpayers most frequently encounter this error message. When this error appears, it means the IRS system cannot locate your tax return or payment information for several possible reasons. Let's examine the main causes of this error and what each one means for taxpayers. The most common cause is data entry errors. This includes typing the wrong Social Security number, selecting an incorrect filing status, or entering the wrong refund amount. Processing delays occur when you've recently filed your return. The IRS system typically needs 24 to 48 hours to process and make your information available online. System overload happens during peak tax season when millions of taxpayers are trying to access the portals simultaneously, overwhelming the IRS servers. Authentication problems often involve issues with the ID.me verification system that the IRS now requires for enhanced security. To minimize these errors, you need to have specific information ready before accessing the IRS portal. You must have your Social Security number, your filing status exactly as it appears on your return, and your exact refund amount in whole dollars only. The IRS has implemented several improvements in 2024 and 2025, including enhanced authentication systems, full ID.me integration, increased server capacity, and mobile responsive design to reduce these errors. Understanding these causes and having the correct information ready will significantly reduce your chances of encountering this error when accessing IRS online services. When you encounter the information not available error, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. The first step is to try basic browser troubleshooting techniques. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, which often resolves authentication conflicts with the IRS system. Next, carefully verify that all the information you're entering matches exactly what's on your filed tax return. Even small discrepancies can cause the system to reject your request. Timing is crucial when accessing the IRS portal. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours after e-filing before checking your status, and try to access the system during off-peak hours. If the web portal continues to have issues, you can use alternative methods to check your refund status. The IRS To Go mobile app often works when the website doesn't, and you can also call the automated phone system. Many IRS services now require ID.me verification for enhanced security. If you haven't completed this process, you'll need to verify your identity before accessing your tax information. To prevent future issues, maintain accurate records of your tax information, file your returns early to avoid peak processing times, and keep your contact information updated with the IRS. The IRS is continuously working to improve their online systems. Future enhancements include AI-powered error resolution, more intuitive user interfaces, and enhanced mobile experiences to reduce these common access issues.